Hello my friends, what is up? In previous video we changed Ritik to this, and today we will create from this to this. So let's the art begin. First we will select the canvas size in which we want to draw, and now import the image which we have to convert into anime. If you don't know how to draw anime characters' eyes, nose, lips, then you can use Pinterest, which you will get lots of reference image from which you can practice a lot.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do,
Okay,
the
now
aftermath
sketch
of
is done.
preparation.
Now the most interesting part is coloring.
One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make
I'm using light and mid-tone for the skin. I'm not using any darker tone for the skin.
And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gon' rise the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you.
If you like this artwork, then hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. And in next video I am taking myself into the dinosaur world, so don't miss that. See you in a few.